are going to make a cool, refreshing drink. Summer is already started, and all of us know that cucumber is a very good vegetable. It's good for cooling our system, eaten raw, or we can also blend it with other cooling items like yogurt. So today we are going to make a cucumber yogurt mint cooler. It won't be as thin as the juice, and it will be more like a yogurt shake, and this is a savory shake. It is not a sweet one. You can make it sweet by adding sugar, but today we are going to make it a savory one, and it can be consumed as an appetizer, and it will can also be given to children who may not like to eat the salad vegetable by itself. It can be taken as a yogurt shake. So for this we need half a cucumber chopped. Once again, I have taken organic cucumber because it doesn't have very prominent seeds and we can consume it with the skin. It is very light on the stomach, and it leaves no bitter taste in the mouth. We also have a quarter cup of yogurt. You can take it little thin or dilute it with a little water. And to add some color to this, we have a combination of mint and coriander. We have a little bit of lemon juice, or maybe a teaspoon of lemon juice to give a tangy flavor. And this is a mild spice mix of salt, chaat masala and jeera powder. As we all know, jeera is very good for digestion, so it also lends a nice flavor to this shake. Because the cucumber is chunkier, we will first blitz it and make it a little smooth, and then add the yogurt. It may take a while to bring it together. We can now add a little curd so that it comes together and doesn't stand out. You can see it is now coming together like your lassi. We'll now add the green cilantro and the mint, the coriander and the mint. You can add a little bit of the lemon juice, and we'll add the spice mix. Our yogurt cucumber shake is ready. It gives a nice green color. It's very refreshing. It may seem a little lumpy, but you can use a spoon and maybe spoon out the cucumber as you go. You can serve it with fresh mint.